Good morning, this is Jeff, your friendly heating guy. So this is one of my favorite things. The initial fire up on a new install. This is a Rheem 95% efficient furnace set up in a downflow configuration in a house in Red Lodge, Montana. It's going through its initial startup, and pretty soon it should be letting the natural gas in to fire it off. So this is the first time the furnace has been fired since it came from the factory. Induced draft motor's pretty quiet. Iron. And we have flame. It's hard to see on these new ones, but it's all in there. So, like I said, have a great day.